Yep. Now it's Barrio starting off with the jab, using his height advantage and reach advantage. 6.5 inches taller, 4 inches longer on that reach.
Bob Santos is such a key to the confidence and execution of Mario Barrios. So remember, that was Barrios' original trainer when he turned pro in 2013. They went 16-0 together, they parted ways, and since they've returned in 2023, you've seen a more confident Barrios that's 3-0-1 overall, including winning a world title.
Oh, really? He has grown with Bob Santos. His last couple of fights, and again, he's
Money daw, money.
making mistakes.
Come on, sabi niya, oh. Come on, hit me. Hit me, sabi niya, oh. Is that what he said?
Manny looked like he was motioning to Barrios, telling him to raise the punches after a couple around that belt line.
Barrio says, hey, you're not the referee. That guy's got to tell me what to do.
Well, that's a key part of it. We're going to wait for this turning point where Barrios stops respecting Pacquiao. That could either be the point that begins his opportunity if he gets caught, or that downhill ride as the younger man with the younger legs.
Hindi, tinuturuan lang niya niya. Bata lang to si ano eh.
Barrio's a big touching up gloves at the beginning of each round as a sign of respect. But Barrio said, I have to lose that respect. And his trainer, Bob Santos, said, look,
Oy!
at the end of the day, I need my guy to have a killer instinct. Because you ask guys like Oscar De La Hoya, Antonio Margarito, Eric Morales, Marco Antonio Barrera, what happens when you don't match this guy's killer instinct? It doesn't end well.
It does not. That's the response from Barrios to body shots, good body shots. And here you see
Ay, yun siya sa gilid ah.
Ay, oo.
Hindi daw.
Hindi daw.
Kasama si Pacquiao, hindi yung gilid niya.
Hindi, tinamaan siya sa, ano, sa lower belt, oh, below the belt.
Hindi daw, hindi. Sabi ng referee.
Naka-record naman niya, malalaman mo kung talagang, ano, kung talagang tinamaan o hindi. I-slow mo yun na yun, pwede.
Hindi kimpuan yung Pacquiao yung mukha.
But at the same time, he does not want to make mistakes.
Magaling siya umilag, ano.
Nice sleeping left there from Manny Pacquiao. There's that jab.
Kasi mahaba yung, ayun, ay, yan, naano niya yung below the belt, oh.
Too slow on the defensive end tonight.
Uy!
Pacquiao's gonna faint.
Oo.
So he believes and hopes.
Maliit, mahaba ang kamay ni Barrios, ano? Uy, naku, tinamaan siya, nakakadalawa na to, sabi niya. Sige, ay! Man, ay! Naku, pinatukan pa siya. Uy! Oh, ayan na yung hit. Ayan na yung hit. Ayan na yung ano. Oh. Labang ka.